So far very much satisfied with the chimney. Best part of this is auto clean. The product is very nice. Less noise, material of construction is very good. Nice product. Looks awesome. Installation is also free from Amazon in great festival offer. Thanks Amazon. Awesome product, amazing delivery, within 2 days installation completed. Ahmedabad location, product looks good, satisfactory level, and performance review I give after 2 months Bex I am not able to switch on it, my home renovation work is going on and not available nearby electricity plug, so 4 out of 5 happy and worth it. Finally got it, India's first ranking, Hindware kitchen hoods, Navio, 3rd generation, best quality, super finish hoods. Beautiful finish black color. Purchased one more for gift my sister. Finally thanks to Amazon team, super duper fast delivery. Even the minor adjustments, making a hole in the wall for exhaust pipe etc. is not done, but they charged full installation charges 500 rupees just for hanging the chimney on wooden back wall. Anyways, many thanks to Amazon and Hindware for their prompt service. Very nice, fabulous product. Installation is also excellent. Rear corner edge of the glass part is slightly broken due to the insufficient packing material. Technician will install it tomorrow, and about the performance etc. I can comment only after the installation. Nice chimney. Delivered on time. Working fine. Recommended. Got it during Amazon Diwali Fest for 11k. Nice product and smart looking. Not much noise. You can go for it. Very nice chimney. Elegant look. You need to do wooden boxes to hide TH pipe. Installation is costly. I had to put 13 feet aluminium pipe, so installation cost came out to be 5k. We use lots of spices, oil for cooking, lingering smell of frying and the crackling spices of tempering. Though it gives wonderful aroma and splendid taste, it leaves stains on the tiles and ceiling of the kitchen. I recently purchased Hindware Navio 90 Auto Clean Chimney on Amazon during the Diva. I paid less than 50% of the actual MRP thanks to Amazon. I placed the order on Saturday and they delivered on Sunday within 24 hours. The chimney comes with 1-year warranty on the product and 5 years on the motor, which I didn't find in any other brands. It has all the features like 3-speed, 1200 cubic meters per hour airflow, heating auto clean with oil collector cup, metallic blower, SS baffle filter, glass inox finish, power saving LED lights. It gives a modern look to the kitchen. Initially we may feel little noisy. Once we get used to it, it will be alright. I had a bad experience with the installation. They responded on time, but an engineer who visited my house couldn't able to do the job. I don't have a flat surface on the wall. Tiles end before 3 feet of the ceiling. The engineer asked for extra money to fix a wooden board on the wall just above the tiles, to make it flat, but couldn't able to do it. I got it done by a carpenter and called them again. Next day another engineer came and insisted to buy aluminum pipe. He said plastic pine which came along with the chimney may not sufficient. I know about the flexible plastic pipe, we can stretch it up to 5 meters. When I said the same, he started insisting to buy a cowl cap for flexible pipe. Beware of engineers, don't fall for their selling tricks and traps. Purchased it in a deal 2 years ago, silver color. writing this review after using it almost daily and it didn't give us any problem so far. Greater than 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 greater than. Here are some pros. Package was good. Installation was perfect. Product was awesome. It's a value for money product. I got it within 10,000 rupees. The product performance is good. Feels like a bit noisy, but silent than most of the other chimneys. The inlet bad experience I had was installing the chimney by the technician. He didn't come according to my mentioned date and also he took 590 rupees, whereas I was informed that the standard installation charge is 500 rupees. Bought this chimney last year in November. I am quite satisfied with the performance so far. Still there are some pros and cons which I would like to mention. Pros. Very nice looking product with a decent price tag. Hassle-free installation. Can be installed and de-installed quite easily. Sufficient suction power to operate effectively for a normal household kitchen. Internal and external cleaning of the product is easy enough that it can be done by self. Cons: the sound created when running at maximum speed is a little annoying. Lighty. Delivery in time. Installation in next day. Nice behave engineer who installed the chimney. Find attached the pic. Excellent. Click link in description for more reviews.